Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Nice to see you all. Today I have a little work project going on my new Ford F250 truck, what is sitting here, and I want to do an undercoating underneath it because right now it comes straight from California and it's not looking too bad, but my plan is to take care of the little bit of rust underneath it, and I want to put the undercoating on underneath it, some undercoating spray cans, and also some rust remover. First step will be pressure wash the truck. Still some gas in it. Whoa, this is a fat ass tire. Okay, now I washed everything underneath it. I hope I did the job thoroughly enough. Hey, now I jacked up the truck here on those ramps, so enough space to work underneath it. The pressure washed did the difference. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, bitty stuff here. This I have to remove. Still looks good here. The axle here, I don't know if I can brush that all the way. Also here a little bit rusty. I was in Harbor Freight yesterday. Rain suit. That kinda looks really stupid. I don't know if I use that. Sandpaper here. This is professional rubberized undercoating from Iron Armor, or Rust Reformer from Rust Oilem. I have all kinds of brushes here. Big one here. Those adapters. This stuff. I bought pretty much everything I thought could remove rust. And safety glass goggles. Filter mask for the paint job later. The masking tape. Yeah, that will be some work. Yeah, okay, let's see. You saw it, how it looks like right now underneath it. Yeah, on the rusty panels, especially the frame and everything, and that I will show to y'all later. Also here, the axles. Yeah, still not too bad. Well, I just figured out that that will be a lot of work, and now it's 11:30 in the morning, and I will show you how it looks like after all the grinding when I'm done. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, that's a dirty job, but I'm making some progress. The front axle here, I brushed everything and cleaned as much as I could. It's also a good way to inspect everything underneath it, all the bearings and rubber sealings and stuff like that, and get to know your truck, I guess. Yeah, next will be the rust remover spray transformer. Now I'm done cleaning from underneath it. Let's take a look. Yeah, cleaned everything here with the brushes. Then I put all the dust off with the brush like this. Use some metal brushes like this. And yeah. Clean everything off here. Looks pretty. I mean, I think I can go with that. Definitely brush the frame all the way here. I mean, it's also a pain in the butt though, but I hope it's worth the work. And now I will take them masking tape and a little bit of this. Mask everything. But I don't want to spray with the rust remover. I don't know how that thing works. This stuff works. The rust remover. Clean up wet paint with throw away empty can. Okay. So I just will try it and see how that stuff works. That stuff is black. Okay, I will just put the camera away and cover everything in the rust remover spray from Rust Olem. Show you how it looks like after that. Here guys, now I can show you how the Rust Olem spray thing looks like after I sprayed it on. Yeah, this is the front end. Everything is black. And yeah, also underneath here you have those components, and I don't know, we will see how it looks like tomorrow. Also the frame here is now black, and here's the difference to this end. So yeah, now I will back up the truck and put the stands on the rear end. I unfortunately have to do the rear end too. So yeah, that's a long day. So that was a long day, and I only used the rust remover. So let's take a look underneath it. This stuff is all black. And here everything looks nice. And yeah, on the frame, of course. It's day 3 already from the undercoating weekend party. Today I am going to put the iron metal, or what is it called? Iron Armor Professional. I've got the professional rubberized undercoating underneath the truck. So truck looks like this. Almost new right now, and we will see. Here's the frame and everything, and the sheet metal, and I hope we can tell a difference after I sprayed the coating underneath it. And this is what I'm going to do now. It's kind of hard to see the difference, but this is a little bit the rubberized coating. So this the plain metal here, and you have a little rubber coating there. So this is what I'm going to do now to the whole truck underneath it. Won't film the whole process, but I'll show you the result in just a minute, or just 5 hours. Okay guys, it will start to rain soon. I'm just finished everything underneath it. So let's show you real quick. Oh. So here's all the undercoating. Also, yeah, I did also here the rear end, so everything looks pretty good. I will show you all. There will be a second part of the undercoating stuff, because in the next part I will undercoat all the wheel bases. Yeah, wheel bases. 1, 2, 3, 4. This hopefully I can do next weekend. And yeah, have to remove the tires for that and all the plastic stuff here and the chrome fender stuff. But anyway, now I have to hurry up. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all are interested in my Ford F250. That will hopefully be my car for the next trips. So anyway, thank you for watching and see you all next time. Bye!